So now basics of Python again I am revising. This is the Google Colab. Type in Google Colab Python tutorial for beginners. You get the file of extension IPYNB. As I told you, again I repeat, you can download the file. You just go to download section, click on download section, PY file or IPYNB file, or you can even link your GitHub account also with this. Okay, save a copy to GitHub. Okay, you can save your work. So let us run the code. This is the code to run the, this is the icon to run the code. Click here. Now you can see the, this wheel is moving now. And I get the output hello world 232323. Great, congrats. Can you see the output? Simple example to print the string. Next, printing example by taking input in a variable. Now this variable is of name string alias. Can you see the output alias? Okay, next, printing multiple variables. In the same print statement, I am printing multiple variables. Can you see? Name Balaji Shetty, age 44. Name comma age Balaji Shetty 44. Clear? Here we have learned how to print multiple variables in the same statement. If I make the change here, name is, what will happen? Tell me. How will? Name is Balaji Shetty, and here age is 44. What will happen? Okay, so far? Good, thank you. Next. What happened? Change is not there? Okay. Run the code. Okay. Next. Formatted string, F string. Now I am printing name, age in this format. Name Balaji Shetty, age 44. But print F, it's for formatted string. Name, variable name is name in bracket, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Age, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Clear? This is another way. Run the code, see what you get. Name Balaji Shetty, age 44. Clear? What did we learn? Formatted string. Same string I can print multiple ways. See the previous output also. Name is Balaji Shetty, age is 44. Here I am passing here name is. And here I am passing the same concept in different way. If you see this. Name, F name, age. Clear? So next. Using format. Now here name. Opening, closing curly bracket. Empty space. There is no character. Age and dot. Format, name, age. What happened? For first brace, name get mapped. For second brace, age get mapped. Clear? What if I do like this? काय होईल सांगा मला? Age, name. काय होईल सांगा मला? Clear? What I have done? The order in which I pass the variable, in the same way output get mapped. Clear? Good. Next. This is a program for addition of two numbers. Static input A equal to 10, B equal to 5, result equal to A plus B. Now here addition of formatted string F. Addition of A and B is result. What is the output? See, addition of 10 and 15 is 15. Clear? This is the static input. I want the user, the dynamic input. This is the input for dynamic. That's it. Can you see the out here? Here, dynamic input. Name and number equal to enter the first number. Num2 equal to enter the second number. But by default, input is of string type. That's why here sum equal to number plus number 2. Here I get sum of num1 and num2 is sum. Sum of 12 and 2 is 12 2. Why? No typecasting. By default, input is string. If I run the code, just let me run the code. I show you one more time. Enter number 34. Enter number 89. What is the output? 3489. What should I do? Tell me. काय करायला पाहिजे? Convert into typecast. Now I want the float. Instead of int, I want the float. इथे आपण काय बघितलं होतं या प्रोग्राम मध्ये? If we see this program, if you remember the program, here we have converted to int. Int, sum, print sum. Okay, I got the sum. But here, I have converted to float. Okay, sum equal to num1 plus num2. Sum of num1 and num2 is sum. You get the output. Clear है? 12.0 plus 4.0 is 26.0. Clear है? Yes or no? Good. चलो next चलेंगे, आगे चलेंगे. Now next way. Now this is a very good program. This is small, थोड़ा मोटा program है, but it is a very good program. Percent operator. Static input. A equal to 10, B equal to 5. Static input example, addition, add result equal to A plus B. Addition of A and B is add result. Formatted string F. Okay. Next, subtract result equal to A minus B. Subtraction of A and B equal to sub result. Multiplication, division. Now, and here, same program for taking input dynamically from user. For that, user input example, input, enter the first number, typecast with the help of float. Why? Because we are doing division of two number. That's why we are taking float. Clear hai? Float ka getla? Same for second input, same code ahe. Add result, subtract result, multiply result, division result. Now this is the magic. Can you see the magic? Here is the magic. Static input, addition of 10 and 5 is 15. Subtraction is 5, multiply 50, division is 2. Input example, first number 55, second number 11, addition is 66, subtraction is 44, multiply 605, division is 5. Should I run the example one more time? Let us do it. First number, suppose 111, second number 11. See, addition of 10 and 50, same output. And here I am taking input from user. Initially, I got this output. Program is a sequence of instructions that get executed from top to bottom. That's why initially I got the output. Afterwards, I got enter first number, enter second number. After entering first and second number, I got the output. Yes or no? Now see here, how many times the division? Baap re baap. Kiti moda hai? I want to truncate it. Only 2 digit, 3 digit. Can I do it? Yes, of course, we can do it. Now let us go ahead. Here, one more time. Print name is equal to %yes. Age equal to %d. Name is string. That's why %yes. Age is digit. That's why %d. Clear है? Yes or no? चलो, very good. चलो आप आगे चलेंगे. Now here, we will skip this example. See this. Value equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want only 5 digit. How many digit? Only 2 digit. Can you check this value? This variable name is value. Value colon dot to f. म्हणजे काय? Only display 2 digit after the decimal point. That's why output is 5, 7. What if I make it 3? काय होईल सांगा मला? 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 5, 6, 8. राउंड फिगर होते, राउंड फिगर. समजते नाही समजत? हे काय होत आहे? राउंड फिगर होत आहे. काय होईल सांगा मला आता? क्लियर आहे? समजलं? ह्याचा फायदा समजला तुम्हाला? ओके, गुड. चलो आगे. So I'm not covering this. I can insert the comments also. In Google Colab file, I can insert comments. Can you see the comments here? Advantage, flexibility, limitation, single line. These are the comments. Okay. Now this is the math function in Python. Math function. Import math library in Python. Here math.py. पायची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? खूप मोठी आहे. आय वॉन्ट ओनली 2 डिजिट आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉईंट. दॅट्स वाय आय गेट 3.14. क्लिअर आहे? इफ आय मेक इट 5 डिजिट, व्हॉट विल हॅपन? काय होईल सांगा मला? आय गेट 5 डिजिट. क्लिअर आहे? गुड. लेट अस गो अहेड. नाउ हियर name, balance, hello. Now the same example, whatever example I have covered, there are some more examples are given for formatting. F. Hello, name, your current balance is balance 2.f. This is the outcome. Now I am not executing the code. Next is separator. Already I told you separator. Okay. Separator. Print Alice Bob Charlie separator comma. काय झालं output? काय झालं? अरे बोला. I just show it. I just show it in both way. Check it. What happened? Understood difference? Here there is no comma. And here is the comma. Clear? Again the example. If I replace by star, what will happen? Okay? Chalo, go next. End of character. म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे काय आहे? Let us run the code and check the outcome. I remove this end here. Run the code. Check the output. Hello world. First output is hello. Second output goes to new line by default. Why? Why? Reason is, I tell you the reason. Reason is when I type print statement, bracket, by default end is new line. /n. By default, separator is dash. This is the basic science behind print statement. Clear? Yes or no? So when I remove this convention, okay, what happened here? When I remove this, I am telling now change the convention. I want the output on the same line. That's why hello world. समझलं नहीं समझलं? What will happen if I type world one more time? World will print on next line on same line. Tell me, come on. It will print on next line. Next line, next line. What if I do this end here? काय होईल सांगा मला? काय होईल? Hello world, hello world, world. Clear है? So this is use of separator. ठीक है?